Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. To debug a Python script with arguments in Visual Studio Code, you can use the built-in debugger in the editor. Here is a step-by-step tutorial to help you debug a Python script with arguments in Visual Studio Code. Step 1. Install the Python extension for Visual Studio Code. Open Visual Studio Code and go to the Extensions view by clicking on the square icon on the sidebar or pressing ctrl+shift+x. Search for Python in the Extensions view search bar. Click on the Install button for the Python extension published by Microsoft. Step 2. Create a Python script with arguments. Create a new Python script, example script.py, and add code that accepts command line arguments. For example, Step 3. Set up the debug configuration in Visual Studio Code. Click on the debug icon on the sidebar or press ctrl+shift+d to open the debug view. Click on the gear icon to create a new launch configuration, and select Python file from the drop-down menu. Update the generated launch.json file with the following configuration. Step 4. Start debugging the script with arguments. Open the Python script you want to debug. Set breakpoints in the script by clicking on the line number. Press F5 or click on the green play button to start debugging. The debugger will stop at the breakpoints, allowing you to inspect variables and step through the code. Step 5. View the output with arguments in the debug console. In the debug view, you can view the output of the script with arguments in the debug console. That's it. You have successfully debugged a Python script with arguments in Visual Studio Code.